What's up, YouTube? We back again with another video, you feel me? So before we get into it, you know what I'm saying, I got a confession to make. So you know how like the past videos I'm gonna be more consistent, you wanna see more videos and stuff like that? You probably think like, dang bro, it's been like a month, bro. Where the videos at, bro? Where my videos at, bro? Look bro, chill, like your boy was sick, you know what I'm saying? I was out of commission, you know what I'm saying? Then like that past couple weeks I was able to record, so you know, here we are right now. And the other confession I like to make, you know how like I also said like we're gonna do 2 dessert videos? Bruh, I don't know how you made two healthy dessert videos. I'm not gonna hold you up. So we're probably just gonna do 1, and instead of 2 entrees, we're gonna do 3 entrees. So speaking of that, what we're making today is we're gonna make some turkey burgers. But with this turkey burger, have a little kick to it. So we're gonna add some little spicy mayo to it. So let me show you how we make this thing up real quick. In order to make this dish, we're gonna need some cheddar cheese, some lime juice, some hamburger rolls, some turkey lean, and we're gonna need some lettuce, onion, tomato, avocado, some parsley and basil, some seasonings, chipotle, and mayonnaise. So we're gonna get to it, y'all. Alright, for the first step we're gonna do is it's real stupid and simple. We're just gonna basically like caramelize our onions, you know what I'm saying? So after we caramelize our onions, like we're gonna wait to like I should have waited till the pan got hot enough, but that's perfectly fine, give me more time. We're gonna chop out our herbs and stuff. We're gonna go inside turkey burgers. So, you know what I'm saying? You just want it like kind of like thinly, basically. Fold it up in the ball, like so. Kind of help you out a little bit. We're gonna do this. Then we're gonna cut up our tomatoes. Then we're gonna cut up our chipotle peppers. Then we're gonna get everything set up before we can toss it in. So we start making our meat all together. So, pause. That was a big pause. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's get right to it, y'all. Alright, so welcome back and stuff like that. So what you saw in the cinematic shot, when I poured out that stuff in it, it was just lime juice. So when you do that, when you have an avocado, you pour lime juice to help the browning of it. So now, besides all that, right now, our onions is done. So now we basically like make up our patties and stuff. So that's when we throw our herbs in there. You know what I'm saying? Our onions is already at the bottom. And we also throw our seasoning in. And that's when you just mix that bad boy up like this. And by the way, I don't think I ever said it, but this is like more lean than fat. You kind of don't really want it to be like, since it's a healthy video, you really don't want it too like hearty in here, you know what I'm saying? So now, I add a little bit of breadcrumbs, kind of like toughen it up a little bit. So once we do all that, and we'll start making our mayo, then that's it. So let's get to it, y'all. Alright, y'all, welcome back and stuff like that. So, you know what I'm saying? We got done making our mayo. We got done simmering our burger. You feel me? So, like, what's next? To eat the thing. Let's get it, son. So, you know what I'm saying? That's how I'm looking. I'm hungry. I didn't eat nothing all day, bro. So, like, I'm just gonna dive right on into it, bro. Let's get it. Dang, I don't know how that thing kind of fit. Go ahead and come back. Hold on. I didn't really get a bite on. Hold on. Yo. Hold on, man. Yo. Oh, I'm on my face. Yo. That thing is good, son. That thing is straight fire, yo. You know what I'm saying? Perfect mix with a spicy mayo, the little zazz with like lemon juice and avocado. Look at fire, son. You feel me? So go ahead and do me a favor, right? Do me a favor. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff to check out the next video. So see you in this video. Let's get it.
Do you need that?
Yeah.
Okay. I said okay. Okay. They say, you good? I said, okay. I'm fine. I'm okay. They said, I got coronas. I said, okay.
I be laughing, it's so hard to hold it in. Killing niggas till these niggas noticing. Independence, they gon' see the one again. Only got the fam, never trust a friend. I be damned if I let all these niggas in. This is in the rules, they don't understand. I am too advanced, got the upper hand. Niggas stuck in trance, hit the buzzer then. I don't wanna do this. Are you sure you really wanna prove it? Paralyzed, you ain't even moving. Told you I ain't even wanna do